Today on DIY Commerce, follow along as we're going to install a tankless water heater from Vevor.
This is the 8 kilowatt tankless water heater from Vevor. They sent it to us for free.
$3.50 free.
We got to disclose that. Let's find out if it's any good.
This is a paid advertisement.
And here's a quick look at the inside.
This is the water heater. This is the water heater control module. This is water heater power inputs. This is water heater sensor that sends it to the control module. This is the input. This is the output. This guy right here is going to make hot water. This is the mountain screws.
Now that I've successfully had Febreze squirted up my...
I did that.
All right, so you're going to need a 40 amp double pole breaker for this and 10 gauge wire according to Vevor.
That we are installing right now properly.
Yes, very properly.
With Febreze.
This is an electrical panel. This go in electrical panel. So we've got our sink removed so we can get in here. We're gonna put our water heater right here. All you gotta do is trim this little white dongle that sticks out in the back, run your wire through it, and down into your electrical connection. Then we're gonna run our plumbing supplies from here, straight up, hook, blue to blue, red to red.
That is so cool! Wow! Can I do it?
No, you're a Sparky. Go home. Find a broom.
I don't know what those
And again, we see in the wild, the electrician is always in the way.
Here you see Big Mike in his natural habitat, trying to make deals. Look at him, the business sense running through his brain as he's pondering what his next move will be. Will he make a lot of money on his next deal, or will he fall flat? This is something we will only find out at the end of our story.
So we are making our final connections here. We're going from just using an angle stop, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Doing this because what I got on hand, and you know, we literally just want warm water to wash our hands because it sucks when it's 30 degrees outside and you're trying to wash your hands with 34-degree water. It's not fun. No leaky. And let's send water back to our spigot. And here we go. All right, our water heater is pressurized.
If anything, I'll give you $100. If you're just like,
Make sure these are off.
saying like you just want them to give it away or you want it.
Pressurized there. Check for leaks. Let's get ready to test this thing out.
All right. Like I need another boat.
Why do you have 4 boats?
Well, Mike and I have a boat. And then we have a pontoon work barge boat. And then I've got a Fish and John boat. And then I got a little 2-man Fish and John boat. Yeah, I just acquire boats. Boom.
We have power.
Oh, so that's cool. It shows our external water temperature too. That's actually really nice to have.
So we're gonna set it to 100 and what?
Just put it at 100 for now. We'll see what that feels like.
Okay.
So, see how accurate this temperature
Go
is
down
here.
with it.
Get my hand out of the equation. So it is heating up, and we're at 99.5.
99.7, 99.9, 100.
Oh, okay. So it regulates. Let's see if it modulates whenever it's there. I don't feel any modulation. Some of these tankless heaters, like we actually had, what was that brand of one we had? Like a
There it is, 100 degrees. Take a shot of that.
100 degrees.
Now go over here and look.
And it's set to 100. That's pretty accurate. So the temperature adjusts in 2-degree increments. So your bottom side is 86, and it goes up to 140, which would burn the absolute dog crap out of you. So don't do that. We're gonna leave this at 100 because that's a nice, comfortable hand washing temperature, somewhere between 98 and 100. So we're running one sink and a sink in the bathroom. What do you think of the water heater?
I think it works great. We should definitely have put this in 5 years ago, because this one that we put in 5 years ago, it's trash.
Yeah, it actually never worked.
Yeah.
So having hot water,
On demand.
already hot, by the way, like just turn the lever on and it's warm. So it's storing in the lines good. That's nice. So if you're trying to delay putting a water heater in,
Don't leave it to Vevor. Get you a good water heater from them.
look in the description down below.
Right there.
It's somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, down there.
It's over there somewhere.
It'll be down there. Just click on it and you can get it. It's like, what, $150 or something?
Just check the link.
It's great. Yeah,
It's worth it.
It's somewhere in that area.
We get it done and wash our hands with hot water. Thank you, Vevor.